construction site today. Oh no! Oh no! There's something in the way. It's an excavator. It's used to dig holes. But right now, it's stopping Mr. Zip from where he needs to go. Liza and Milo, maybe you can help us find another way. They say, sure, B. Franklin, you can get where you want to get. If you go back in your truck, and turn left. We have to go through a construction site. Something else is in the way. Looks like a big old crane. Cranes are used to lift heavy things. Hey, B. Franklin, why don't you use those wings? What did you learn up at those heights? Really? You think that we should turn right? Let's turn right. Grandma is fixing up her house today. It's hard for her to hear because she's jackhammering away. It's a kind of drill that is very loud. You can use it to break through the ground. Hey, Grandma, we have a package for you. If you sign for it, our job is through. A wrench, of course, that will come in handy. Here we go. Oh no! How will we get through now? We'll figure it out somehow.